Hi, my name's Rhian and I'm a Participation Officer at the Children's Commissioner's Office, and I'm here to talk to you this month about Article 15, which is freedom of association. And what that means is that you have the right to meet with friends and join different groups and organisations as long as you aren't stopping other people from enjoying their rights. So some questions for you to think about this month are: what clubs and groups and organisations already exist in your school or community? Are there anything missing, and can you go about setting something up? And also, how have maybe clubs or groups you're already part of adapted under the current circumstances? We're all missing people like friends, and lots of us have had to adapt the way we usually work. So it'll be great to hear from you how you've gone about that. As always, let us know how you get on, and I'll see you next month.